Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick little vlog I'm doing, guys. And what I'm doing is I'm actually showing I'm gonna start prepping my food so that I don't have to cook every single day, seeing that I cook every day. Most out of 7 days, at least 4 to 5 days, most times 5, most times 6, or maybe even 7. But we're gonna try to make things a little bit easier. So what I'm gonna do is we had barbecue chicken for tonight, and we had 2 pans. When you have a big family, you have to make 2 big pans. So this second pan, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the chicken out, and I'm going to freeze that for tomorrow's dinner. And we also have some extra rice that my daughter made, which was some Goya rice, and we're going to have that to go with it. Now, the reason for me doing this is because it's just easier to not have to cook every single day. And if you could just make these meals, freeze them, put them in a container, microwave safe dish, or whatever, you know, that you store your food in and freeze it, then you can have your dinner ready. Look at that, guys. So that's tomorrow's dinner. Look at all the chicken's already in here. Here's the rice. Here's the chicken. I'm going to put a top on the rice, and I'm going to cover the chicken, and I'm going to put this in the freezer, guys. And that is going to be my dinner for tomorrow. If I want, I can make a salad to go with that. But the hardest part is already done because the chicken's already done, the rice is done, and that's a full meal. Without a salad, even still, it's still a full meal. So, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube, because I will be vlogging from now on all my videos of which I will be prepping my food for the foreseeable future so that I don't have to cook on a daily basis. I find that it's easier to just do that so that you can just, you know, go about your business. If you have to work, you have anything to do, you can just put the food away, freeze it, you know, and then have your family get the microwave dishes. They sell them at Dollar Tree. They sell them at Walmart, everywhere. Put them in the microwave dishes. Put them in the freezer. Take them out when they're ready to eat dinner. Label them or whatever. You can even label them. And boom, microwave dinner. All set. So don't forget to subscribe because you want to be able to get the notifications when I do more of these preparation videos for working moms, busy moms, moms with multiple children who have to do multiple things, school sports and things like that. This is videos for you guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to My Crazy Big Black Family. Happy Monday, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And actually, happy Monday and happy upcoming week, guys. Bye.